In this video, I'm going to construct a rectangle using the length and the width dimensions. Then afterwards, I'm going to calculate the total length of the rectangle. I'm going to go to my rectangle command. It's going to ask me to identify the first corner point. I'm going to click here in my black graphic space. Then next, I'm going to type the letter D for dimensions. The first prompt is the length of my rectangle, which is 28.75. Now press enter. The next is going to ask what's the width of the rectangle, which is 17.0625. Now that I have my rectangle, you'll notice it follows my mouse. I'm going to click it in a downwards direction to permanently place it. At this time, I'm going to select my box, right click, and go to properties. In my properties section, I have identified my total length at 91.6250. This concludes my video.